Welcome to another edition of A New Me, your weekly consultation with the Washington, D.C. area's best doctors and professionals. Our guest experts help you learn about the latest medical advances and procedures by providing you with the real information necessary to help you eliminate the dangers of making the wrong medical and cosmetic enhancement decisions. Get ready for your consultation. Coming up, we will be on location at Northern Virginia Dermatology, Vein and Surgery Center in Ashburn, Virginia, discussing the latest advancements in laser skin rejuvenation and how they can help you look years younger with one of this area's top dermatologists, Dr. Sherry Maragh. Dr. Maragh is board certified in general, surgical, cosmetic, and laser dermatology by the American Board of Dermatology and received her training at the very prestigious Mayo Clinic. Welcome, Dr. Maragh.
Thank you.
It's great to have you back. We have a lot to talk about, so let me just get started, if I may, by asking you to tell us what are the latest advances in laser skin rejuvenation.
Well, Rocco, one of the greatest advancements in laser skin rejuvenation is the fractionated laser. This laser has been around for at least a decade now, but over time, the laser technology has been refined such that downtime and results have both been improved. The patient is experiencing greater results with much less downtime, which is very important to my patient population.
And to many out there that are watching, you're getting the results you want, obviously without the downtime associated typically with these type of results.
Yes, you're absolutely correct.
And how is this performed?
The procedure itself takes anywhere from 20 to 30 minutes. It is performed under local anesthesia, so there's no need for a patient to take several days off from work. The laser that is used to treat the patient is gently passed over the skin. There's a mild heat sensation that the patient will feel while they're undergoing the procedure, and at the end of the treatment, the skin is cooled and certain special creams are applied to the skin that actually aid in the results that the patient will experience.
Very interesting. And what types of skin problems does it correct?
Fractional laser resurfacing primarily addresses aging of the skin, which includes wrinkling, brown spots, change in the texture and tone of the skin, as well as red spots and other blemishes that occur on the skin over the years. And this includes a wide range of patients. It can include patients in their late 20s all the way on up through patients in their 60s.
What type of results can we expect from the fractional laser?
Fractional laser results in a tightening and an improved tone as well as texture of the skin. Most patients experience a decrease in their fine lines and wrinkles. That can include wrinkles of the forehead, around the eyes, on the cheeks, as well as around the mouth. The laser also helps to eliminate brown spots as well as broken vessels on the skin. Unlike the old fractional laser technology of years gone by, this new fractional technology allows for healing within a 48 to 72 hour time period, whereas with older technology, we had to tell our patients to take a week to 2 weeks off from work. So this is a significant advancement over the years in this technology, as well as I mentioned, increased results that the patients are experiencing. So it's decreasing their need for other procedures to be performed at the same time.
No, that's very impressive indeed, Dr. Maragh, and the advancements in technology have certainly allowed that to happen with the fractional laser.
Yes.
And I understand there aren't too many practices in this entire DC metro area that utilize the fractional laser, and you're certainly one of the few who've been trained and certified and have the experience regarding this.
That's right, Rocco. We have several patients that we have treated with this new technology, and we continue to see those patients over the years in follow-up. And the nice thing about it, those patients are experiencing significant decrease in the aging of their skin. They're noticing that they have to undergo fewer procedures to maintain a youthful appearance.
I believe you have some patient before and after pictures you'd like to show us, Doctor?
Yes, let's take a look.
Let's do it.
As you can see from these sets of photographs, these patients came in with concerns of aging skin, fine lines, wrinkles, brown spots, and just wanting to have an overall more youthful appearance. From the post-procedure photographs, you can see that there's been a significant decrease in fine lines, wrinkles, brown spots, and a significant increase in improvement in the texture and tone of the skin.
Some very impressive results, Dr. Maragh, and what I found most impressive was nobody looked like they had something done. It was very natural as well.
That's very important to our patients. Most patients are getting these things done. They want rejuvenation, but not like the facelift that most of us were familiar with years gone by. They want those same kind of results, but they don't want the downtime or the unnatural appearance that's associated with those things. Fractional laser resurfacing technology has allowed for that. You get a tightening of the skin. You experience a decrease in wrinkles, similar to the results that you'll get with a facelift, but without the associated downtime as well as costs.
Yes, and not to mention something that a lot of people have the fear of, the surgery associated with a facelift.
Absolutely. Laser technology over the years has been a great tool for us, eliminating the need for surgery in rejuvenation and enhancement of the skin.
And how long would these procedures typically take? I think you touched it briefly earlier,
right.
But just to give us an idea, and I'm sure it varies patient to patient and how much work is being done on each, but just in general terms, so we have an idea of what we're looking at.
The typical procedure lasts about 30 minutes. There's prep time as well as post-procedure time that's necessary, but the actual procedure itself is very quick. The healing time after that associated with it is usually anywhere from a 24 to 72 hour period of downtime. So that means that a patient can schedule a procedure like this on a Thursday or Friday, take the weekend off, and then return to work on Monday. A great advantage to the patient.
Yes, indeed. Now, are there any follow-up visits that would be required? Would they have to come back in a month or a couple of months?
I do like to see my patients back post-procedure to make sure that they're healing well, to go over their results with them, and to make sure that they have a skincare routine that will allow them to maintain their results.
Well, on that note, I would like to thank you again, Dr. Maragh, for educating us as you do each time you've joined us as a guest on A New Me. We really appreciate it.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
Oh, it was our pleasure.